Alright, so I'm gonna smoke some baby back ribs. This is baby back rib. I salted it, pepper and garlic powder on both sides. Took the membrane off the back. I've got my smoke going, so I'm going to turn it up to temperature I'm going to turn it up to 225. And then I am going to wait for that to get up to temperature. Alright, so I'm going to clean off the grate. Back up the temperature here. It's 148, so we're gonna let it get back up to temperature. Alright, we're about up to temperature, so I'm gonna put this on here. Alright, so we're gonna let it go 2.5 hours. Alright, it's been 45 minutes, so I'm gonna spritz it with some apple cider vinegar and apple juice. I haven't spritzed it before on other ones, and it was just as good, so I'm gonna spritz this. Okay, so I've got my timer set, alarm set for every 45 minutes. So I'll be back and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so it's another 45 minutes. I'm going to spray some of this on here. So it's looking pretty good. Alright, it'll be another 45 minutes. And we'll be back. Alright, so we have 14 minutes and 50 seconds left until we wrap it. So I'm going to spritz it one more time. It's looking really good right now. Okay. It's looking really good. We got about 14 minutes and then we'll take it off and wrap it. Alright, so I'm going to take these ribs off and put them onto butter and light brown sugar. That's how it looks. It looks good. Alright, so now I got them wrapped in there and put them back on the smoker for 2 more hours. Alright, we'll be back in 2 hours. Alright, it's about done, so we're going to pull it off. What I did was put in some Montgomery and barbecue sauce in there to get some of the smoke flavor on it. So I got it pulled off. I'm going to unwrap it and put my smoked barbecue sauce on it and then put it back on for 10 minutes. Alright, so here's the unwrapping. Okay, so I'm going to flip this around. Alright, that's the finished sauce right there. You know, got the finished ribs. And I'm going to get in my smoked sauce. You get some more on here. Make sure I get all that good. And put it back on for 10 more minutes. Alright, it's time. 10 minutes on there. I'm going to take it off. So here's the final resting. Just rested 15 minutes. It looks amazing. I got some asparagus, salt, grapeseed oil, and then salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And I got some Bob Evans mashed potatoes in there. So I'll cut this up. Alright, so asparagus, mashed potatoes. This stuff is just, bone just pulls out. It looks really good, so I'll get a plateful. Yeah, it's really tender, just fall off the bone. It's great.